get in here. We have made it to week 4. Progress reports are going to go out next week, Tuesday, on October the 6th during the parent conference night. So that means you have additional time to complete any of your missing assignments. Remember, I do not do extra credit work. You have to do the work that's assigned to you all. All you have to do is read. If you have any questions about anything, I am available from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m., Monday through Fridays only. Do not call me on the weekends. I will not respond or answer. This week, y'all, we're off to the races. We're going to do context clues, summarization, inferences, and character analysis to look at why the character does what he does, he or she does, and how does that influence the plot. I know that may seem like a lot, but we've already covered this, most of it already. So we're just going back to fine tune it a little bit. Also, guys, I am excited because we're going to use the online book. So you could annotate, highlight, and answer questions as you go. So this week, you're going to access Ed, your friend at learning through Clever. And I have assigned to you the Little Brave Toaster. I am so excited about this week. Yeah, well, I get excited about any time I get to see you all. So we're going to work hard and we're going to finish strong. We have a Power DOL, and also I have to do a SLO, which is Student Learning Objective Test with you. And I plan to do that on Friday. Guys, again, remember I do not do extra credit work. You have to do the work that's assigned to you. All you have to do is read and follow directions. I am available to help you as well as Miss Potts. We're going to have another fabulous week. Thank you. And if you still have not logged on for my live instructions, now may be the time to consider that.